Wow.
So, welcome to my humble abode. What?
Babe, there's nothing humble about this abode. I mean, I know you're just trying to be humble, but this place is beautiful. I mean, if I have something like this, what else would I do?
Babe,
Yeah.
you're in the big city now, okay? You have to start dreaming big.
Exactly, but this is me dreaming big, babe. Isn't it?
Yes, of course. Let me show you to the bedroom.
Okay, that way?
No, this way. Relax.
Forgive me. Alright. Oh, this is beautiful.
I know.
This is nice.
What's on your mind?
Nothing.
Tell me.
I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for everything you've done for me.
B, I'm happy to help. And you're going to get this job.
I pray I will.
You sure will.
Who's that?
1 minute. What's up? Oh, okay. I'm coming. Give me a moment, okay?
All right.
Okay. Ta-da.
What's that?
Something for your interview.
You got me a suit?
Yes. I want you to look the part. Do you like it? What now?
You got me a suit. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
No, thank you. Serious, thank you so much.
Oh, now you can eat.
Yes.
Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you.
Wow. Wow. This is good. Thank you, sir.
I'm impressed. You are really a perfect candidate for this job, I must say.
Thank you, sir. So, this means I got the job?
Well, left for me, the answer will be a straight yes. But you see, my job here is to look out for the perfect candidate and forward their details to the board of directors. It's left for them to decide who they really want.
Okay, sir.
A minute, please. Alright. I'll just send your details to my superior. Keep your fingers crossed.
Okay, sir. One more thing. Do I have to wait here or I should go home and wait for a response?
Well, it's not supposed to take long. I mean, it's just you and the other candidates. Let's say an hour at most. I see you're anxious to celebrate.
I pray I will.
Yeah. For the meantime, just wait at the reception. I'll give you a call once I get here.
Oh, okay, sir. All right. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again.
Congratulations!
What is this?
Celebrating your new job. Tell me, how did it go?
I I didn't get the job.
Why? What happened? But you called me and you said you made it to the final stage and that you're so sure that the job is yours.
Yeah, because at that time I was very sure the odds were in my favor.
What happened? Thank you so much for interviewing with us, but unfortunately we have given the offer to another candidate and they have accepted the offer. I'm so sorry. Wish you the best in career, babe.
The HR told me that though I was the best candidate, I couldn't get the job because I lacked the job experience, that I was not qualified to manage a team of experienced tax managers.
What?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, okay?
It's fine, babe. No need to apologize. You did nothing wrong. I'm very sure if this, went the way we wanted by now, we'll be celebrating.
Sorry.
It's fine. It's not the end of the world.
Mom? Why is the door locked?
How would it be locked? It's almost midnight.
It's just a few minutes past 11.
That's midnight to me. And where are you going?
To the club.
To the club, Alice, on a Monday. Look, I was young once. And during my days, even the most reckless girls were serious on a Monday. And who goes to a club on a Monday anyway?
Okay, Mommy, your time and my time, very different times, okay? Everybody goes clubbing on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. It's okay. And besides, you said I'm the most hardworking person that you know. So what does it matter if I club on a Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday? What does it matter?
It matters. Because you are doing it too much. Look, there's nothing wrong in having fun once in a while. But when you do it every day of the week, huh? Alice, look, I'm just worried.
Okay, Mom. You have nothing to be worried about. You're hearing it directly from the horse's mouth.
This is your behavior. It's going to chase good men away.
Okay, Mommy, no. No, we are not having this conversation again. I have said it to everyone, including you. And I don't know why you, of all people, don't understand that I am not interested in any man.
You're not interested in any man. Stop talking such nonsense. Stop it. Look, it's been almost 5 years. You need to do the needful. I'm not going to go down because of your foolishness. Do you hear me? I'm not.
I don't want to keep my friends waiting, so I'm going to go now.
Alice.
And don't wait up for me, Mom. I'll lock it from outside.
here. Oh, please come and lock the door.
What's going on?
I'm leaving.
We talked about this.
I know we did. But there's nothing here for me. Absolutely nothing.
Let me guess. There's plenty waiting for you where you came from, hmm?
It's not like that. I want you to see this from my point of view. I don't have a job. I don't have an accommodation.
What?
I have no means whatsoever of survival.
But I'm not asking you to leave.
Are you asking me to stay back? To stay back without a job? For you to take care of me and feed me? It's bonkers. It makes no sense.
Says who?
Says tradition,
Oh,
religion,
God.
my pride as a man.
So this is it, huh? You've given up hope of ever finding a job. I guess you never believed in yourself.
Why would you say a thing like that?
Your action is suggesting that you do not believe in yourself. And frankly, I'm disappointed for falling in love with a man like that.
Miriam, I go out every day to look for a job that I can find. I have a mother back at home who I cannot even take care of. When it gets bad, you know what I do? I still want her to feed. And I am not proud of it.
I understand, baby. But you can't go. Please stay. Okay? There are endless opportunities in this city. Soon, you'll find yourself a suitable job. Then you can take care of yourself, your mother, and me. Please don't go. Okay? Positive. Please, baby.
You sly. What is it?
Don't use your reverse psychology on me, madam.
You should have waited for me at least.
And why should I? You refused to tell me what was really going on.
I didn't want you to panic, okay?
And that is exactly what happened with your action.
Okay, fine. I apologize.
That is what I was hoping to hear. Not you trying to play fast one on me.
See, it's okay. All right? Let's have drinks tonight. I'll pay. There's this new spot I discovered whilst I was waiting for my mechanic. It is classy. I'm sure you love it.
Sorry, babe, I can't.
But I apologize now.
And what makes you think I did not accept your apology?
So,
Larry is coming to town today.
what?
Yes, I was as surprised as you were. He called me this morning to say that he was at the airport.
Oh my gosh. These men, they're all killjoys.
Not to me. I'm about to get my something service tonight.
Please, Ashao. Alright, bye. All these men are about to be married friends. Need to get new sets of friends. And what can I do for you? I came to drop it.
Hey, honey.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
How was work today?
Same as every day. Sit around and listen to customers complain about their issues like I don't have mine.
Life of a customer care representative.
It's just funny how these clients come at me like I'm the cause of their problem.
That is what your job entails, right? So you have no choice but to try and enjoy it.
I know, I have no choice indeed. So how's the job searching going?
Well, so far so good. I've written like 5 applications. You want to take a look?
Sure. Babe.
Oh, hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah, hi. I'm fine.
So why won't you just tell me about your day, huh?
Because Nothing interesting happened. And of course, if anything positive comes up, you'll be the first to know.
Baby, I just wanted to be hopeful. Nothing good comes easy.
That saying only applies to the less privileged like us. Everything comes easy for the rich. Everything.
Our time will come, okay? Who was that?
Nobody.
Come on, baby. Who was that?
It was my mom.
So why are you not taking her call?
I don't want to disappoint her. I don't want to raise her hopes high, only to dash them on the ground.
Baby, what is this energy? Okay, so what's the point of writing all that applications if you don't believe you eventually get the job?
If I'm being honest, I'm just writing those applications for writing's sake. You asked me how my day was earlier. Do you really want to know?
Of course.
My day was terrible. It was disappointing. It was degrading. Today, a security guard refused me entrance into an office complex because I couldn't bribe him.
What?
Yes. And even the office where I managed to gain entrance into the reception, they asked me to drop my CV. And you know how long that's going to stay on the table until someone gets tired of seeing it and trashes it into the can?
Please, be optimistic. She's calling me. Please take her calls.
I thought I was going to send her some money this weekend. Obviously, I lied because I don't even have a single penny to my name.
Fine. Just pick her call. Tell her you're going to send her the money now.
You don't understand. Where am I supposed to get the money from? Am I supposed to get it from Truth?
I just sent you money. Send it to her.
What?
I just sent you money. Send it to her, okay?
Show you are my lady. Place no one above you. Since the day I found you, girl, you are my lady.
40,000.
Yes. Send it to her.
I'm gonna love you like never before. Treat you good.
Yes, Mom. And you too.
You see why I was happy when you went to Lagos. I knew you would find favor there.
Mom, it is God's doing. And Miriam has been very encouraging.
A very good girl, and well-mannered.
I agree with you, Mom. She is.
Please, I would like to speak with her whenever you see her.
Yes, Mom. Whenever I'm with her, or the next time I see her, I'll make sure you speak to her.
Please, my son. And don't let those Lagos girls distract you.
Of course, Mom. You know your son is always focused.
Okay, my son. I will call you tomorrow. Good night.
Alright, Mom. Goodbye.
The Lagos girls part got me. What is it again?
I gave you the phone to talk to my mom. You didn't want to talk to her. Why?
Of course I want to talk to your mom. But what if I speak with her and she finds out that we're living together?
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that part.
And I think your mom likes me.
Cut the foolery. My mom loves you. She's always loved you.
How sweet. I'm mother-in-law. Madam, this one you came visiting me today.
You know, things have changed.
Things changed? What changed?
Since you got married, I mean, your status as...
Wait. What did you say? I'm married. When did I get married and I'm not aware of it?
You're not married. I thought you were married though. So that guy living with you, is he your relative?
What are we going to call this thing you're doing right now?
I can understand a woman moving in with a man to cohabit with him. But I don't understand when it's the other way around.
Babe, it's just for the meantime. Soon he will get a job, get his own place and move out. Chill.
That's what you said 2 months ago. But he's here to secure a job. So if he doesn't get the job eventually, will he be here forever?
What are you even talking about?
See, true talk, I'm just talking true talk. And I just hope you don't regret all these things you are doing.
I'm not going to regret it. How will I regret it, huh? Miss.
It seems you haven't implemented the guy very well. The guy is fine. And I will tell you for free, if those lucky big girls or island sugar mummies set their eyes on him, so Tilo, he don't go.
Well, my Dave is not like that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot that your Dave is like Joseph that resisted Potiphar's wife. What do I even know? I'm just doing my own part as a friend.
What kind of bad mouth is that?
So, what do you think about this?
I really don't know if I could pick. All the colors you've shown me are so beautiful.
Come on now, Alice. I mean, you have planned events over the years and you have been so successful at that. And in 2 days, I've been trying to get you to choose a theme for me. Just choose this color. Choose a color, and it's been so difficult for you.
Look, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, I just have to tell you the truth.
Okay, and why is that?
Do you know how difficult it is for parents to say goodbye to their daughters when they're getting married? That's exactly how I feel.
Okay. I will stop you there. Last I checked, you're not my parent, so what's up with that?
The point is, I'm going to miss you. And I know once you walk down that aisle, our friendship is gone.
Listen, I appreciate the fact that you're going to miss me, but come on. Why would I stop being friends with you because I am getting married? Make it make sense.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, you're not making sense.
Okay, I don't think that Larry will want us to still be friends after you guys tie the knot. He's never really liked me.
Okay, hold on. First of all, Larry doesn't have a problem with you, so get that thought out of your head. Secondly, I think that you're the one that needs to make like a character change or adjustment or something.
I don't know that I can live any other way.
What do you mean? You don't know that you can live differently. You weren't born to live like this.
Maybe I was, or maybe I am.
Just stop it, okay? We both know you're not. Listen, darling, Kester is not coming back. I mean, he has moved on with a new family in Canada, and the sooner you get that into your head, the better for you. He's not coming back.
You know, that guy was just a gold digger.
Safe to say we all told you. But no, you were carried away by what? His good looks and what?
Hey. Don't be a show-off. Not all men can be like Larry. You're lucky.
Yeah, I know I am. And not all men are like Kester, okay? So the sooner you open up your heart to love again, the better. I mean, look at you, honey. There's love everywhere out there. So come on. So now back to this. Now that I have talked
It's too
some
dark.
sense into
The
you.
color is too dark.
No way. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Welcome back. It's good to see you.
You're so sweet. What are you making?
Well, I'm making dinner, of course.
Hmm.
How's work today? You're a bit late today.
Because traffic.
Oh, that's a constant.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You can go to the room now.
No,
I'll finish up.
No, let me finish what I started. You go, freshen up, and dinner will be served soon.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
When you're done, there's something I need to talk about.
Am I in any kind of trouble?
No. Thank you.
All right.
I see ya. Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't mean to offend you.
Oh, you did?
I'm sorry. I was only trying to help. I just felt instead of writing endless CVs, going for interviews, getting frustrated, I mean, why not try entrepreneurship?
And you think learning how to be a shoe cobbler was a good idea?
But you've always loved fixing shoes, right from when we were in school.
Times have changed. That was then.
I don't understand. Sorry I brought it up, okay? I'm sorry.
It's fine.
That was easy. Sorry.
So, here. You're welcome.
Happy beautiful house here.
Oh, thank you. It actually belonged to my dad, but he passed 9 years ago.
So sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
So you stay in the beautiful house all by yourself?
No, I live with my mom.
Cheryl?
No, she traveled. But let me go upstairs, change, and get ready.
Get ready for what?
Aren't we meant to go out?
I think so, not now. No, it's not around. So I can just have fun and...
Hello, excuse me. I think you should leave.
Why?
Why? Because I said so.
What?
I literally let a monster into my home. You see what I keep saying? This love thing is not for me.
Come on, don't say it like that. I mean, these things happen.
You see, this is my problem with you. These things happen. Has it happened to you? Did it ever happen to you? Why does it have to happen to me?
So what's the big deal? You can't just get wide here. Mom is not around, you can do crazy things. You know.
Okay, this is the last time I'm going to tell you. Leave my house or else...
Or else what?
Hello. Yes. DSP John, I am at home. No, my guest is still here, although he was just about to leave. Oh, you'd like to speak to him? Alright. It's DSP John from the State CID, and he'd like to say hello to you.
I think I should leave now.
But really, you are one smart girl. The moment I heard DSP John, I knew something was up.
I don't even know where that came from. It just came up in my head.
It's called survival instinct.
Mm.
But wait, let me ask you. If you had wanted to speak to DSP John, would you have given him the phone?
I don't know. I was just acting on impulse at the time. But now that I think of it, if I had given him the phone and he collected it, what would you have said?
Become DSP John. Young man.
Stop.
Wait, you asked me a question. Don't fuck me up.
Stop.
You asked me. Young man. She sent me your picture. I hope you're being a good boy.
What is that supposed to be?
Sounding like a guy. Since you know called DSP, Paula or DSP.
I beg, stop
that
your
girl. Oh my goodness. But seriously now, what are you going to do?
I don't know. But what I do know is I'm not going home. I'm too scared to do that. I should go clubbing tonight.
Then I am coming with you. Sounds like music to my ears. Clubbing.
Wait, what of Larry?
Auntie, if you would have told me that you're fasting, I wouldn't have bothered serving you anything.
I don't remember telling you that I'm hungry. So please gracefully take this drink back to wherever you brought it from.
Nachi, what's with your tone? Are we fighting?
Like I have time to fight. Laura said you haven't been picking her calls.
Oh, now I see why you're acting weird.
Can you just ignore the way I'm acting and let's focus on why I'm here?
Anyway, I've not been picking because I don't know how to tell her that I can't be her chief bridesmaid.
Why is that?
Well,
let me help you answer since you suddenly lost your voice.
Let's not do this, Nachi, please.
What are we doing? Like I've done anything. It's like you don't like the truth. You are gradually pulling away from your friends. I just hope you don't regret all these things you're doing.
Please. We should just try and understand.
How do you expect us to understand? When you've practically become a husband to a man you're not even engaged to.
I just have a lot on my plate.
You have a lot of self-imposed responsibilities. That's why you cannot afford a bridal gown for your best friend's wedding.
What do you want me to do? What? I was the one that invited him to the city. Don't you think it would be unfair if I just send him packing? Would you like that if I do that to you?
Life itself is unfair. What you are doing to yourself is unfair. I just hope you have the guts to do the right thing before this guy eventually dumps you. Oh, you go chop breakfast. And trust me, my shoulders will not be there for you to cry on.
Are you leaving already?
My job here is done. I'll just tell Laura to look for another chief bridesmaid.
Nachi.
If we play this game 10 times, I'm going to win you 10 times. Right there. This is the killer. Babe. You look disturbed.
Me? No, I'm fine.
Mary, how many years have I known? Tell me. What's the problem?
I want to ask you something. Do you promise to be brutally honest with me?
Brutally honest. Okay, this is serious.
Yes, it's serious. It has been on my mind all day.
Alright, you have my attention. Shoot.
Okay, no, scratch that. When things begin to fall in place for you and you become successful, are you going to forget all that you've been through and find comfort in the arms of another woman?
Was your friend here today?
Well, that's not the answer to the question. Just answer the question.
Why would you even ask me a question like that? I would not betray you. Not for all of the money in the world. And this is not even the conversation that I want to have with you in the nearest future. Excuse me.
Babe, I just... I didn't mean it that way. I just wanted to know. Where are you going? It's late. Babe. Babe.
What's...
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. I've overreacted.
And I understand. I promise I will not ask such questions again.
Just stop allowing your friends get in your head. I understand if you need reassurance, but not when someone else influences it.
Oh no. I'm sorry, baby. It will not happen again. Please.
Alright, that's fine.
Think his way.
Think it's way.
Think his way. So can you come to the room now, please?
Alright, carry me to the room.
How am I supposed to do that?
Alright then, I want to sleep.
Come on!
Okay, fine. Don't keep on leaving. Stop. Okay, I will go. I will follow you.
Fine.
Alright. I'm standing up.
Okay, off you go. Okay, let's see.
Treat you good, show you the world. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything you want, baby, I do. I gotta let you know I made a reservation for two. Oh baby, you, I wanna spend my whole life with you. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do.
Babe, are you in there?
Oh my, for you.
Where did this coconut head of my boyfriend went to? Babe. Babe. Here you are.
Hey.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning. Oh. How was your night?
Fine, thank you.
Why are you up early?
You don't expect me to see you in bed by this time, do you?
Yes, I did. Except that you just ruined my plans.
What plan?
To serve you breakfast in bed.
Oh my god! And I was saying the other day that you're not romantic. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine. You just have to wait till another day.
No! Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't I go back to the room and pretend to be asleep so that when you walk in, I'll be surprised?
Really? Alright.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
Oh, can't wait. Sorry. Hi, it's ready.
Yep.
Oh, it looks good. Can I dive in? Are you not eating?
Well, the absolute pleasure will be to watch you eat.
Babe. What is this? This is what I think it is. Oh my god.
Miriam, I know I am not where you want me to be yet. But I'm working on it. And I will be there soon. So in anticipation of a beautiful future that we will both have, would you do me the honor of being my wife?
Yes, 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 I'll be your wife.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my god! long have you been planning this?
Well, I've been planning it for a while now. I almost did it last night. Well, except for the drama, so I couldn't.
Now I get a sweet attempt for breakfast in bed.
Which you always ruin.
Well, but you eventually did it.
Yes, I did, and thank you so much, babe, for saying yes.
Of course. Yes, 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 and more yes to come.
I am the happiest man in the world right now.
You just made me a fulfilled woman today.
Come on, give me some sugar.
I love you.
Don't spill the tea.
Period. I'll spill the tea. I'll call all my friends and spill the tea.
You are everything and everything is you. Sitting down here, think about the time we spent together. Pick up my phone, dial your number. Hey, just wanna holler. Now I got the clue. Oh baby, see, I miss you. I don't know what to do. Oh baby, see, I miss you now. Don't you ever take away that smile. No matter how it feels, we could work it out. Oh baby, you and I just work things out. Just work things out. 'Cause you're my everything and everything is you. You're my everything. You're my everything and everything is you. My everything is you. You're my everything and everything is you. You are everything, everything is you.
Alice,
Yes, mommy.
off to work already?
Mm-hmm.
We need to talk.
Mommy, this is not the right time. Okay, I'm late to an appointment already.
I know there's never a right time to talk with you.
Okay, can we do this when I get back from work?
No, because I know that when you get back, you tell me you're tired, that you want to sleep.
Mommy.
Look, I'm not going to take your time, okay? I just want to show you something.
What is this?
You'll have to find out yourself. And I expect a response at the end of today.
Okay, I'll look at it once I get to the office. Bye, Mom.
So, 30% goes to you and your mom, while 70% goes to your dad's relatives.
You know, I could have cared less until I saw the pictures and information attached to the document.
She just wanted you to see this. I mean, that was a smart move from your mom. Those people don't deserve a pin from your dad.
They could bother less if he died. Okay, in fact, they wanted him to die faster so they could take everything he left behind. But I don't know.
So, what are you going to do now?
Don't, Fola, okay?
Don't what?
I know you're going to ask me to consider getting a man to avoid all this.
Huh. Well, I never said that, but now that you have mentioned it, I think it's an idea worth considering.
I knew you were going to say that.
Baby girl, it's been 5 years, okay? Come on now. I mean, you're not getting any younger.
Well done.
Hey.
Are you done with my shoe?
Yes, madam. I don't finish the shoe. It's okay now.
What is this stain on my shoe?
And the gun we use, so you can just clean it. It go clean well. So.
So it can clean, but you waited for me to come here and you can give me my shoe with this stain
madam,
on
we
it.
don't have soap here now.
And you can't buy soap to clean my shoes? Do you know how much? Where is Oga Toby? Why would he leave my shoes in your hand? That do you know how much this shoe costs? As in, he left it for you, and you're here treating my shoe anyhow.
Madam, now because of ordinary shoe, I won't carry and put for my eye.
Hey, it is better you go blind, and let me warn you now. This shoe that you're calling ordinary can feed you and your entire miserable family.
I beg carry your wallet, they go abeg. Because of ordinary shoe, won't blind me.
You just suppressed the poor guy.
No, I was trying to teach him a lesson. He couldn't even apologize.
Apologize for what exactly? Huh? You're still here to tell me how he damaged your shoe.
And if I tell you, will you fix it?
What is eating you up? I mean, this is not about a shoe.
Then what is it about?
You tell me.
I already did.
Fine. But listen, you have no right to hit him with that shoe. I hope you know. What you did is punishable by 2 years imprisonment.
And so what? You should sue me now. That one we never see food chop.
Oh, I could take up his case against you. Pro bono.
You wouldn't dare.
Bottom line is you need to calm down, okay? Always calm down. You can't go around, transferring your aggression on someone else, okay? Calm down.
Babe, your phone is ringing.
Did you say my phone?
Yep.
Who's calling?
Didn't check.
Oh, Ogatobi. Why is he calling me?
Why is he calling you?
Yeah, hello, sir.
You have to do a job and you're not able to do it. Then why am I hiring you? I want to know why I'll be hiring someone if I'm paying you for a service and you can't even do it. What are you there for? Because it's very confusing to me. I don't know why. I don't see why. No, let me call you back. Why did you hit my car? Hello? Oh, you again. It's like the people from your village, they sent you, Abby. Why did you hit my car? Okay, tell me why you hit my car. Tell me why you hit my car.
Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting? Look at all the cars on this road. You chose to hit my own car. You're asking me why I'm shouting. When you're wrong. Hey, I'm asking you a question. Why did you hit my car? You didn't see any other car on this entire road?
Stop shouting! What is your problem? What?
Are you talking to me? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is? You're hitting me. You're shouting at me. You hit my own car. Hey! This idiot has cracked my screen. Yes, hello. DSP John, I need you to handle something for me. No, I was sitting in my car and this idiot that I've had an encounter with prior to this, I confronted him for hitting my car and
Ogatobi.
Now, what you dey find for here? No, I dey ask you, what you dey find for here?
Ogatobi, I just won't beg you. Say I beg. If I think just get my job back, I swear I go happy way. I beg.
The job where your papa established for me, Abi oti jawere ni.
Ogatobi, no vex. No vex. That thing, I swear, I don't know how I take up. I don't know anything I did think. I beg. Now God, I take beg you. I beg.
See,
I beg.
You don't know what you dey think. See, all this on me where you dey put for granted. you no go change anything. Sure you dey hear me so? You dey talk say you don't know as fair happen. Okay, who pay for damages? No! Shebi na me pay for damages.
I know say na you pay, I beg.
Na me pay. You make me pay for a gbese when I no shop. You come here, they come dey beg. It's not because they dey my back. If you don't drive me more for this person, if you don't put me, which job you will come here come dey beg for?
Oga Tobi, see, if I just work for you again, I swear I no go go collect money this time around. I beg. Make I just dey do something.
No go collect money.
Na where man dey work, na man dey chop. I beg. I beg.
See, our people say, come on for my house, not be come on for life. Sure you dey hear me? Your destiny, you not there yet. So you go carry your bad luck, You go carry come off my shop now.
I beg you.
You dey embarrass me. You want to drive customer for me?
Sorry.
They go now. Sure, when you don't drive on my customers finish before you go let me get peace. Rubbish.
This is becoming too much for me to bear. I should have allowed him to go when he wanted to. Now I have to take care of an adult like he's a child. And it's almost impossible for me to take care of myself.
Welcome back, babe. Bad day, what?
Has there been any good day lately?
Okay. Do you want to talk about it?
Talk about what? What difference would it make, Dave? Tell me, what difference would it make?
Did I do anything?
Please, I beg. Hey, I don't have time for all these Q&As. Mind your business. So, Nkechi is married?
She and her husband live in Canada with 2 of their kids.
Small Nkechi.
Nkechi, your school daughter.
Wow.
She will be more than happy to hear from you, though.
I want to hear from her as well. How are you? How's family and business?
We are awesome, my dear. And business is blooming. I have a new salon now.
A new one? What happened to the old one?
It's still there. My husband just felt a need to expand.
Wow. Your husband? Wow. You're so lucky.
Hello? Miriam, are you there?
Babe.
What?
Anything the matter?
What do you want?
I was just checking the kitchen now. You didn't prepare anything. Why now?
Mariam, calm down. Not today. I will just ignore you because if I say what I have in my mind, I will regret it later. So just leave me alone. Am I your wife?
But Ah! Why is she not taking her calls now? I hope she's okay where she is. But she should take her calls, for crying out loud. Or send me a text message or something. Miriam! Where the hell have you been? I've been calling you all night.
Was that why you were blowing up my phone? Really? That was annoying.
For crying out loud, I am your fiancé. I was worried about you.
Hold that thought, okay? And about that, I'm not interested anymore.
What are you talking about?
Talking about whatever this is, this situationship we have going on, I am done. Here you go. And I want you out of my house before the end of the week.
Miriam, why are you doing this?
I don't have the time for your questions, okay? I have to get ready for work. Remember, end of the week.
Oh, let me just go back to the way it was before. Sitting right here watching you work it out through the door. Damn, it's crazy. Crazy. Feels like dying. Now I'm drowning. Now I'm drowning. I can't believe it's just a crazy
Thank you for everything.
feeling. The way it turns, erase the smile, what the crazy feeling. Should have known. Never let you walk out the door. No, no, no. Now the mirror is broken. Can't even see my face. How do I tell the story? Damn, I'm losing my faith. Feels like dying.
Dave, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You sound like a very young, responsible young guy.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
I hope I will not regret hiring you.
No, I promise. You will not regret it, ma'am.
Anyway, the recruiting agency have an excellent task force.
Yes,
and I'm sure you'll not let them down.
I promise I will not let them down.
Okay.
Ma, when can I resume?
You resume when you get your letter.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
I'm so happy you got rid of that parasite.
No, why do I feel bad? I feel like I did him wrong.
Hey, you let it suffer, no, they tire you. Let me ask you, did you ever take a mirror and look at what you were looking like when you were with that guy? You were looking older than your age. That guy drained you like mad.
I wanted the best for him.
I beg, he lacks grace.
Don't say that.
I can see you're in love with him. You're still in love with him, it's obvious. Don't worry, just a matter of time. You get over him.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure.
How are things between you and Nika?
Well, fun, at least. Guess what?
What?
We're going to Resort this weekend for a getaway.
Hey, see, Cruise! I know, right? That's what that good for nothing guy was depriving you of. See. I don't want to ever hear you mention his name again. No. Do you think that we almost fought because of that Lisa?
I hear you. You don't want me to mention his name again, but you're the one always bringing up his topic. Are you sure you don't want to hear about him? Because it's beginning to look like you like hearing about him.
Sorry, dear. I just vex me. But you and Emeka look so good together. That's what they call match made in heaven.
Oh, period.
Not that one Satan was trying to manufacture from the
Hey, please. No, David Slender will be tolerated here.
Sorry, I forgot.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Me too. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I'll take a lot of pictures. I'll blind my haters like, I'm popping now, guys. Take the back seat.
If you have done all these things.
Come here.
Yes, ma'am.
What exactly are you doing here?
Here. I work here.
You and I both know that's not possible. You cannot be, in fact, you will never work here.
Madam, please.
Hey!
I beg you, I need this job.
Madam, me. So you think you're so smart? Your plan is to come here, spy on me, and then take your revenge? I can see right through you.
Madam, I didn't even know you stay here.
Start gathering all your nonsense inside that security post. For as long as my family owns this estate, you will never, are you listening? Never work in this estate. Come on, will you get out?
Why are my village people following me up and down? What is this?
Good job. That'll be all for now, Tega.
Thank you, ma'am.
How is your security guy?
How is my gate man doing? How? He's opening and closing the gate. How else is he supposed to be doing?
I'm just happy you didn't fire the guy.
I would have. My mom just liked him for some reason.
Yeah, but if he's diligent at his job, you should just put up with him now.
I just don't like the guy. I don't know.
He hasn't wronged you, darling.
Okay. Can we please stop talking about my gate man?
Yes, Mom.
Tega, please come back. Where is that fool? Hey! What were you doing? Do you know how long I was standing there and honking?
I'm very sorry.
Sorry for what? What were you doing?
I had no idea.
You had no idea! You were sitting down here sleeping in broad daylight! The next time you try this nonsense, you'll be sorry for so many things. I can see you're getting so comfortable sleeping. Duty.
Alice,
Yes,
you're going
ma'am?
out already?
Yes. I heard you shouting downstairs.
I was talking to Mazi Chinedu over the phone. Can you imagine? You're already planning on selling your father's 10 acres in Obinze.
Wait, why would Mazi be thinking of doing that? Daddy made it very clear that he set aside that land specifically to build a vocational training center for the less privileged children. How can they be thinking of that?
Exactly what I told that greedy uncle of yours. Can you imagine? He opened out his filthy mouth to tell me that eventually that piece of land is going to become theirs. And they will do with it whatever they want. Can you imagine? Huh?
What's wrong with them? It's not even up to 10 years.
Because they think you'll never get married. You're already planning on sharing the 70%.
How is it they are 70%?
How won't it be, Alice? How won't it be? Because in 7 months' time, it will be your late father's 10th year anniversary. And his estate will be shared. And there's only one condition that can prevent that. Obviously, you're not ready to do that.
Honestly, these people don't deserve a thing.
You're the only one that can prevent it.
I know, but I can't force myself on a man, Mommy. And it hurts. Since Kester left, I can't even fathom the thought of being with another man, talk less of falling in love.
Alice, you can. You only need to re-examine yourself.
What does that even mean, Mommy?
Do you think you will get a responsible man in all those nightclubs that you frequent every night? Huh? The neighbors are already talking. And it's disturbing.
And saying what? They're talking and saying what? That I'm going to the clubs to hook up or what?
I won't blame them. Because if I wasn't your mother, I would say the same.
So let them feel that way. Who cares? I don't care what they think or how they feel. I don't.
Alice, you need to start caring. Because no one lives in isolation in this world.
The wig is looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Where did you get this one?
I've always had it. I need new ones though. Hope you're staying long this time around.
It's about time. I have a meeting to attend in the lounge. We talked about this.
Babe, we can always go from here.
I need to change my clothes. I can't go to the meeting dressed like this.
But you have some of your clothes here.
What about the documents I need for the meeting?
Fine, you can go for your important meeting.
Babe, come on. I know you're upset, but I promise I'll make it up to you.
How?
Okay. How about we spend the weekend at the Royals?
Royals? Really?
Don't believe me.
No, just I was not expecting it.
Okay. The weekend is in 2 days' time. So I'll go and start getting your things ready.
Of course. I love you.
I love you too.
You're gonna come back?
Sure.
Okay. I can barely even touch this.
That's fine.
That's what I told him. And you?
You're still washing the car. I'm almost done. It's just the other window.
That means you're still not done, stupid.
What is wrong with you? Why did you call him that?
I don't like it when you challenge me in front of my subordinates. I don't.
And I don't like it when you act so cocky.
Madam, I'm done now.
Get me the car key, please. Where's the car key?
You don't want to open for me? You have started. He's such a fine young man.
Who?
Your security guy.
That low life.
Alice, I don't know you to be this person. I mean, did Kester turn you into this?
Please, I told you before. Stop mentioning his name.
And he's very polite as well.
Kester.
Ah, your security guy.
Of course he's polite. Poor people have no choice but to be polite to the hands that feed them. Being poor and broke, that's a very bad contrast.
He seems educated as well.
He is. He said he's a graduate of UNN, I think.
Oh, I thought as much. He couldn't get a job and then he ended up with you. And then you intimidate him.
Okay. Did you think for a second, maybe it's his bad character or bad manners that has prevented him from getting a good job?
I don't think so. I just think the guy is not lucky.
And how would you know?
Because having encountered you on 2 different occasions, we all know how that ended for him. And the irony of this all is that, you know, you were the aggressor and he was the one always being punished.
Okay, so what am I now? Bad luck?
Nope. His nightmare. You could change that.
Why?
Why? Listen, sweetheart. I know that inside this angry woman is a very wonderful person. Okay? Maybe if you just free yourself from all this anger, just free yourself, let go. You know? And be free from your own captivity. Come on, Alice. I told you, anger doesn't look good.
Please, enough of this talk about captivity and anger. It's always talking about angry woman and all these things. Stop speaking about my security man. I don't think you realize how absurd this sounds. When exactly did I employ additional staff that I have no knowledge of? Does that make any sense to you? What expatriates are we talking about? The only foreigners in the company is Anani and Kofi. Yes, and they've already been taxed. No. Utete and Agabe, they are citizens of this country, so why should they be taxed? Let me make this clear to you. This is a case of multiple taxation, and I will not let it slide. No, not this time. So figure it out or try to solve this problem as soon as possible, because that's why I employ you to work for me. Yeah, let me know as soon as possible. And what is it?
You asked to see me, Ma.
Yeah, I need you to take my car to Kunle, my mechanic's place. That's the key. And do not come back late. I don't want to leave only Okiti at the gate.
Yes, Ma. Sorry, Ma. I overheard you talking about your company being overtaxed. So, with your permission, of course, I wanted to ask if I could look into the matter so we can know where the problem is coming from.
So let me understand this. You want me to give you, my gate man, an opportunity to handle the taxing in my company? Have you lost your mind? Come on, you get out of my face.
Sorry.
Idiots. It's your audacity for me. Okay, but why exactly would you tell me there is nothing you can do about it? This is a pure case of incompetence. No. What you're going to do is figure out how you can find this problem, resolve it, and then let me know. If not, I'll just have to go ahead and hire a new auditing firm. Because what am I hiring you for? What am I paying you for? This is just ridiculous. Dave.
Yes, ma'am.
Come here.
Good day, ma'am.
You mentioned to me that you studied taxation in UNN,
Yes, ma'am, I did.
but you haven't spent a day in the office as a tax officer.
No, ma'am, I haven't.
So enlighten me. How do you intend to solve my tax problem?
Well, ma'am, if I can take a look at the problem, I am sure that I can find a solution for it.
Fine. Take a look at this, and I'll send you a voice note as regards the information of the documents.
Okay, ma'am. Let me get the date.
Come in.
Good day, ma.
What is it?
Ma, all my reports and findings are all in the file.
This is very impressive. Thank you, Dave.
What?
I said thank you.
I heard it the first time, ma. I just wasn't sure when you said that.
So, what if I said it? I'm done with you. You can leave now.
Okay, ma.
I am not, babe. I got the message from the LIRS this morning talking about how they've been overtaxing me for years.
LIRS sent you an email to apologize.
I'm still trying to pinch myself to wake up. And you know what the best part is? Because they are literally at my mercy, I stand a chance to be able to plan one of the biggest state events as a compensation.
I should pinch myself also to confirm this is not a dream. And your tax consultant did not detect a thing?
I'm telling you, those guys are just taking my salary for nothing. Every time I brought this up, they made it seem like I was hallucinating or blowing things out of proportion. Anyways, thank God for Dave. He literally saved the day. He solved this problem in less than 72 hours. Can you believe that?
That guy is a genius. And to think he's a security guy.
I found out that he's chattered.
No way. You must be joking.
No, I'm serious, okay?
See, you have to help that guy. If not for anything, just to thank him.
So, what am I now? Bad luck?
Because as having encountered you on 2 different occasions, we all know how that ended for him. And the irony of this all is that, you were the aggressor and he was the one always being punished.
Poor people have no choice but to be polite to the hands that feed them. Being poor and broke, that's a very bad contrast.
I know that inside this angry woman is a very wonderful person, okay? Maybe if you just free yourself from all this anger.
Dave! Dave! Yes, madam. How many times do I have to call you? You see, I knew it was only a matter of time before you would go ahead to prove your incompetence.
I'm sorry, madam, but what are you talking about?
I asked you to wash my car, and instead of you to do that, you are doing something else. Huh?
Madam, you didn't tell me to wash your car. You didn't even tell me you were going out today.
Oh, so I'm lying. I'm so scared of you that I have to lie to you. Or I have to tell you when I'm going out, eh? No answer.
I'm so sorry. I must have missed it.
Of course you missed it. You were busy thinking of your useless mother in the village. That's why you missed it.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
You must be very, very stupid.
Excuse you?
I said you must be very, very stupid for calling my mother useless.
Think of today as the last day in your life you will ever work for me.
Fine. I'm done. I'm done condoling your stupid attitude. You spoiled brat. Yeah, madam, this is the attendance booklet.
Are you leaving?
You sacked me 2 hours ago.
Sit. Please, Dave, just sit.
The door is open. What are you doing here, Dave?
I came to see you.
That is not the answer to my question.
Miriam, I don't know the answer to the question. But all I know is that I miss you. I miss us. And I want us to get back together, please.
Back together and go back to the way things were? No, I can't. Listen, Dave, I loved you. You know I really did. But you were draining me. I'm talking mentally, emotionally, and financially. I was looking like the shadow of myself just because I was with you.
Miriam, I promise things are not going to be that way anymore. And I might start working with an auditing firm soon.
Did you say might? You're not even sure. All your life you lived it based on hope, and more hopes that never come to fruition. I can't do this anymore. Please leave. And I know the truth hurts. But the thing is, I'm engaged to a real man who takes good care of me. I mean, what are the odds? You have to leave. I'm getting married in 5 weeks. Please.
5 weeks?
Yes. So you see why I can't do this.
Miriam, please, don't do this.
I can't believe it's just a crazy.
It's already done, Dave. Please leave.
The way it
And
turns, erase the smile, what the crazy feeling. Should have known never let you walk out the door. No, no, no. Something inside so strong, pushing me closer to you. Something I can't explain. I'm trying so hard to resist, but I'm falling for you head over heels. Something I can't explain. Could it be love, or just my imagination? Could it be love, or just my fantasy? Where do I go? This thought is driving me crazy, yeah. Who do I call? I need a moment of relief. Hey, how can I live my life all the way without you? How can I share the things I feel inside? We could be more than friends if you really want us to be. Yeah, 'cause I need you by my side. There could be more to the times we stare at each other. There could be more to the times we share together.
Alice, don't you dare walk out on me when I'm talking to you. I'm your mother and I demand respect.
Mommy, what is it now? What do you want from me?
I don't like your sudden interest in that David of a guy. It's traumatizing that you're going out on a date with our gate man.
Former gate man, Mommy, and he only took that job because he had no choice. And besides, what does that matter now? He works with the biggest auditing firm in the country.
A job you got for him.
So, he earned it. And the firm is more than happy to have him.
Let me tell you, Alice, you and Dave, whatever he calls himself, you're not on the same level. You're not. Look, Martin called me last night and he said he's going to be in town next weekend.
Okay, that's good for Martin, but I don't see how that piece of information does anything.
He's coming around to see you and hopefully you'll bond again.
Okay, Mommy, what are you now? A matchmaker all of a sudden? And if my memory serves me right, when we were together or having a thing, you didn't support it.
I didn't support it because you're too young then.
We were teenagers, Mom. And it was mere exorbitance. So when you say pick up from where we left things off, I don't know what you mean.
Alice, all I'm saying is that you've known Martin all your life. Unlike the gate man, you barely know.
Which is why I'm trying to spend time with Dave and get to know him. And please, stop calling him a gate man.
That's what he is. And that is what he will always be. A gate man. Son of a monster.
You this a shower girl. Hey, so you've liked this guy all this while?
No.
I mean, no wonder you were, acting so hostile. Not as much.
Let me tell you, in the beginning, I didn't feel an atom of interest in Dave. He was my security man, for Christ's sake.
Okay, so what do you call this one?
God's plan?
Huh? Hey, God's what?
Plan?
God's plan.
Look, I've thought about it a million times, and that's the only rational answer that comes to mind.
Okay, truly, the Lord works in mysterious ways.
He does. He does.
So, have you guys done it?
Done what?
Come on, you know what I'm talking about. Done to do. I mean, at least to help clear the weed that must have been growing down there.
Oh my gosh, you're so gross.
I know, but that boy is fine, Sha.
Mm-hmm.
So fine.
You should see him when he's fully dressed up. He makes heads turn. I have to hold him properly just to let the girls know that this one is already taken.
Okay. But, Tina, I just hope it doesn't turn out to be another Kester.
No, I don't think he is or he'll be. He's genuine. And when we're having conversations, I can see right through him.
Okay. And Mom?
At first it was, oh, get a man. Now I have gotten myself a man and she's kicking against it. I don't know what African mothers want.
Wait, because of that Godwin guy?
Whatever his name is, precisely.
I know, you can't blame her now. I mean, Kester comes to mind here. After he used you to climb up to where he is, what did he do to show appreciation?
But people are different. You have told me that more than anyone, and you've been going on and on and on about moving on, and now I'm moving on.
Yes, I know. I said all that. But just make sure that this Dave guy is truly who he, says he is.
So, how is your conference going?
Sweetheart, you are changing the topic.
No, I have heard everything that you have said, and I will take it into consideration. And you need to trust that I'll do the right thing.
Okay. I trust you. And as for the conference, it was refreshing.
Did you stammer?
Come in! Tell me this is not real.
I was going to tell you.
When? At what point, Emeka? After we get married? Oh wait, maybe your master plan is to sit me down on my wedding night and tell me that you are a gigolo that sleeps with women old enough to be your grandmother. Pig!
Miriam, I am sorry, but a man has to do what he can to survive.
Wow, so all that talk about importing office appliances were all lies?
He promised to look after you is not a lie. I only sleep with these women for their money. This shouldn't be a big deal.
Wow. So being a gigolo is your means of livelihood, Emeka?
Babe, this is the only hustle I know about. And now that you know, I expect you to support me. I only sleep with them, satisfy their sexual fantasies, and they pay me. I don't love them. We can talk about this.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house this minute. Go! If I speak one more word, I will scream and I'll call my neighbors and accuse you of rape. Just get out of here. Now! Leave and never come back!
Stop allowing your friends get in your head. I understand if you need reassurance, but not when someone else influences you.
I know the truth hurts, but the thing is, I'm engaged to a real man who takes good care of me. I mean, what are the odds? You have to leave. I'm getting married in 5 weeks. Please.
5 weeks?
Yes. So you see why I can't do this.
Mary, please, don't do this. I beg you, please.
It's already done, Dave. Please leave.
Babe, do you think we're moving too fast?
Would you rather that we slow down?
No.
What's in your mind?
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about?
Everything. Hitting you with my shoe, locking you up, and how I treated you when you worked for me.
Yeah, you were so mean.
You know, looking back, I can't even recognize myself. It's just after my previous relationship ended, I turned into this person that I couldn't recognize.
Well, look at us now. Our love story.
We should make a movie about us.
I prefer a book.
Book, movie, whatever. Our love story is beautiful and it should be told.
I love you.
I love you too. We should go skydiving.
Someday, definitely.
Mom, why are you still up?
Why did you switch off your phone?
My phone was switched off. The battery must have died or something.
Battery died. Stop playing your stupid games with me. I'm your mother, and I know all the tricks in the book.
Mommy, what is it again this night now? It's late.
You knew Martin was coming around to see you.
Why? Why is he coming to see me? You're the one who invited him, not me.
I invited him because of you.
And I have told you several times, I am not interested in Martins or Martin, whatever his name is. It's never going to happen. Stop thinking about it. This thing that you think is going to happen between the both. Never!
Alice.
Good night, Mommy. Don't stay up too late, okay?
Babe, I'm coming. I'm almost at the door. Welcome, the love of my life.
Hi, Dave.
Miriam. How did
I know where you live? Well, I trailed you to your workplace and then to this place. This house is beautiful.
Okay. Are you stalking me?
Wow. You have really done so well for yourself. I'm proud of you. Dave, I miss you. And I know you missed me too. You said that the day you came to my house.
Okay, I did. But that was in the past. I have somebody now. And it's kind of serious.
Is it serious or kind of?
It is very, very serious.
But I am back.
And so?
So we can pick up from where we left things. I know I made a mistake and I'm sorry. He's perfect these days. We all make mistakes. Please forgive me. I'm only human. Who's that?
Excuse me. Hey.
You're not dressed?
Yeah. This is Miriam, my ex.
Hi, Miriam. I'm Alice, Dave's very serious.
Don't I know you?
Maybe. It's a very small town.
I remember you. The very rude girl from the station. Is she the one you're in a serious relationship with?
Yes. And that was in the past.
I don't understand. So you can forgive this insolent girl, but you cannot forgive me for just one mistake?
There is nothing to forgive. It just didn't work out between the both of us. I loved you. But now I'm in love with someone else. And she means everything to me. And this is the only person I want to be with. So please, move on.
It's me. It's me.
Please, leave.
No way I am moving on without Dave. That bitch destroyed her so that she can have him to herself. No way!
But people are wicked, Sha. I'm sure she planned this all along. Trust me, when she's done with him, she'll throw him back to the street.
Exactly. You see, I am not crazy. That's the point I've been trying to make him understand, but clearly he's not thinking straight. I am not going to let that happen. I will not!
You should not let this happen. You should never ever let it happen. See, you brought this guy to Lagos and they're trying to take him away from you just like that.
I brought him to Lagos, right? You just said you're my witness. I brought him and he was wretched. I cleaned him up and she thinks she can just have him. No way! I will not let that happen. You see, this war is between me and that little slut. I will not let her win. I will not just sit down and do nothing. I will get my man back.
Chinenye. Alpha, Chinenye. Chinenye, I will call you back. I will come. Who be that? Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see Miss Alice.
Madam, Miss Alice don't dey around.
What about her mother? I'm sure that her mother lives here with her. I want to see her mother.
Her mother? Her mother at the house, but say, you don't call now or you get code?
Which code? Which smelling code? I don't care. I want to see madam and I want to see her now.
Okay. Wait, I dey come.
Hurry up.
I dey come. I dey come. They find madam there. Idiot.
Open this gate. Open this gate now. I want to see madam. Or you bring Alice right now. I have to see her face to face.
This cannot be true.
But it is true. Her mother gave me those documents. And she said you can come by the house if you want more verification.
What is going on?
She never loved you, Dave. All she cares about is her inheritance. And once she gets it, trust me, she'll spit you out and throw you back to the streets.
No. So you mean all of this was a ruse? Like, I was a means to an end?
Isn't that obvious? She's a user. She's selfish. Nothing was meant to ever work out with you on her, ever since your 2 encounters with her.
I need time. I need time to think all of this through.
Of course. Take all the time you want. But remember, I'm here for you, okay? Always here for you.
I need you to. Please, just go, okay? Thank you. Please.
Babe, are you alright? You had me worried over the phone.
Explain this.
What?
Explain it.
Where did you get this from?
That is besides the point, Alice.
I was going to tell you.
When? When were you going to tell me about it? Maybe when you finally fulfilled your wish? Or all of your little wicked plans all came to pass? Like a big bang? Is that when? You know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm stating the obvious. You were using me. I was just a pawn in your game. You wanted to use me to get all of your inheritance. And now you got it. Right?
Dean, you know that's not true.
This will not be the first time you're trying to fuck my life up. I would not be surprised if I get a call from the guys at the auditing firm that I've been sacked. And they throw me out of this house.
Everything I did is in the past now. And I'm not proud of it.
None of this makes sense. Please leave.
Excuse
Alice, I said leave before I make you.
When two people love each other, they should try and stick together. No matter what may come their way, yeah. They should sort it out together. Because trials and temptations will come.
Hello, Alice. How was your day?
How could you?
How could I what? Oh, that. I did the right thing. Saving you from yourself.
And who are you to decide what is right for me?
I'm your mother.
That was my own choice to make.
Sometimes as a parent, we have to do the right thing for our kids, no matter how grown they are. Look, someday you will understand, and you will thank me for this.
You know, maybe you should call Mazi to start sharing Dad's property. 70, 100%, whatever, Mom. I really don't care.
You don't care. You know I will never allow that. I won't allow you to lose your inheritance because of your stubbornness.
I've caused you so much pain, but if you give me the chance to explain, I know you'll understand. Please don't go. Understand. Just give me this chance.
What is this? I thought you said you were sick.
I lied. I wanted you to see what you do missing.
What do you do?
Getting my man back.
Hey, I am nobody's man. And I am definitely not your man.
Look, I know you've broken up with Alice. I want us to pick up from where we left things.
We are not picking up from where we left things, Miriam. I'm not a tool that you can just pick up and use and toss away when you're done and come back when you need it again.
I said I was sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Forgive.
Let go of me.
I know what I did was unfair. But I was in a tight corner. I bet you would do the same if you were in my shoes.
Well, I guess we'll never find out.
Babe. Babe.
Alice. Wait, how did you get into my house?
I still have my key.
Oh, I forgot. Are you traveling?
No, I'm moving in with you.
What?
Look, Dave, I don't care about the inheritance. This is what I care about. I care about us. That's what matters to me.
Are you sure? Are you sure about this?
Look, I can't afford to lose what we are and what we could be. I don't care about the inheritance, and I'm not going to marry Martin or Martins. No. This is what I care about.
And this. This is what I care about.
You make me feel so beautiful. I just love it. You make me fall in love. Fall in love. Fall in love. Fall in love.
I advise you take the offer. You can stay with us for a while, and you know that Alice is not a stable person.
Madam, Alice was reckless. But we shouldn't judge her by that. The Alice I know is a very lovable and kind-hearted woman.
Let me tell you, it is only a matter of time before she flips on you. Let me advise you. Leave Alice alone.
You've been nice to me since I got here. And every single advice you have given me, I appreciate it and I have followed. But on this one, I beg to differ.
I have another offer for you.
What are you talking about?
Here's a check of 10 million naira for you to take a walk.
It's not about the money, ma.
20 million?
No.
Okay, 30 million.
Madam, it has never been about the money.
I can see that you're very stupid. Let me tell you. Alice is not going to marry me. Because she's my daughter. Now get out. Get out!
It was nice to see you again.
I don't ever want to see you again. Ever.
Baby.
Yeah?
You know I love you.
And I love you too. What is this about?
My mom called me and she told me everything that happened. She's so proud of you.
It was a setup?
No.
Boy, you make me feel like a natural woman when you open up your heart. You make me feel so beautiful. I just love it. You make me fall in love. Fall in love.
Baby, your phone, it's ringing.
Who is it?
Hello?
Yes, who is it? With what? Where? Why, Miriam? Why?
Osinachi has been playing with me.
Babe, you can't just continue to sit here and soak up.
What do you want me to do? Use juju on them?
If that is what it will take to get your man back, then do it.
God forbid. My Dave will come back to me. I know.
Okay, keep knowing.
Are you leaving already?
Let's use the restroom.
Emeka, this bastard, what does he want? Why is he calling her? Player. So you're done deceiving me. You want to move on to my friend, you bastard.
Watch your tone, woman. And it is funny who you call your friend.
What is this one talking about?
The truth. If you think Nachi is your friend, then you are mistaken. Do you care to know why I am calling her? I will do you the honor. Just check her phone and you will discover things for yourself.
What are you up? Hello? Hello? Who are you right now?
I can explain.
So, you have been fantasizing about being with my man, sending him your nude pictures, sending him messages, telling him that you're going to treat him better if he leaves me. You!
It's not as it seems.
And then you come here every day, trash talking him, devaluing him in front of me, saying things, playing with my head. You make me break up with him.
I didn't make you break up with him. It was your choice.
Of course. You know, you're right. I'm foolish. Don't move. I blame myself, okay? I
blame myself for letting you play with my hair. I blame myself for believing you. I blame myself for listening to you, listening to all your advice, telling me all sort of things. I blame myself also for letting you hook me up with Emeka. I thought you were doing it because you cared about me. You wanted me to move on. Little did I know that you were doing it for the money. Nachi, you're a pimp? You're a pimp? What the hell is this?
I didn't force you to date Emeka.
Shut up! Shut your dirty mouth, you filthy, backstabbing whore!
Please stop talking to me as I'm a child. Give my phone.
And if I don't, stay here. If I don't, what would you do?
Give my phone!
I said if I don't, step back here. How dare you? I've had enough of you. I've had enough of you! You wicked friend! I hate you! 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 Let me go! I hate you! I hate you! Ah! Daddy! Daddy! Ah! Mommy! What have I done? Please I'm sorry! I didn't mean to! Please! So, I rushed her to the hospital. But the doctor wouldn't treat her unless we involve the police. That's how I ended up here.
You should have just given her the phone.
I was too angry to think. I felt betrayed.
Anachi has never been a good friend. And every time I tried to warn you about her, but you cut me off.
You should have come to me with those pictures and messages. Why is dedicated to yourself if you had told me all these things that happened?
Yes. Maybe I should. I should have. The good thing is that she's still alive. And I will do everything in my power to make sure she survives. And I will get you a good lawyer.
But am I going to go to jail? I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to be here. I want to go home. Please help me.
Hey, look at me. Hey, I promise I will do everything in my power to get you out of here. I promise.
Back alone. Because I'm happy, clap alone, and if you feel like happiness. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, baby.
You know you deserve this.
Babe, none of this would have been possible without you. You see, babe, you complete me. You've made me fulfilled. And I want to ask you to please complete this life cycle with me and be my wife.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I'll be your wife today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of our lives.
Thank you so much, babe. I love you. Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah, hello? Yeah, who's it? Oh, good evening. Oh, that's good news. I'll be there first thing in the morning. All right, good night.
You'll be where first thing in the morning?
Is the IPO on Miriam's case.
And?
He said Osinachi dropped the charges and wants to settle off court. And so I should come tomorrow and sign her release papers.
Oh. That's good for her. And you too.
Me? I'm a free man. I'm not the one who's arrested.
Maybe not physically, but mentally, I can see how her arrest took a toll on you.
Thank you so much for understanding. I mean, she's really a nice person. We just didn't work out.
I understand. She is a good person.
Thank you. I love you. This is the part.
Gotta let you know I'm gonna love you like never before. Treat you good, show you the world. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything you want, baby, I do. Oh, gotta let you know I made a reservation for two. Oh baby, I wanna spend my whole life with you. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do. Oh my, for you. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. Girl, you are my lady. You are my lady. There's no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. Show you are my lady. Can never live without you. Girl, you know it's so true. You are my lady. You are my lady. There's no one above you. Since the day I found you. Girl, you are my lady. You are my lady. Girl, let me show you how I feel about you. Let you know I'm crazy for you. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything